Hi everyone, this is Riz from Shandong Classic Machine Tool Company. Today I want to introduce our hot selling model, Vertical Machining Center VMC855. The machine has equipped a FANUC control system. Let's see the inside of the machine. The spindle speed is 8000 with table size is 800 multiply 500 mm. Oh, this is a spindle alignment tool. It is used to check and adjust the perpendicularity or run out of the machine spindle relative to the work table. So if you are interested in this machine, please contact me.